Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. I'm just going to give you a run through of one of our tub fit outs. This is a popular one that we can do in people's vehicles. Everything here is custom though, so it can be done differently for yourself. So what you've got here is one of our eco drawers. So you've got a heap of storage in one of these. Nice and light, made from 3mm aluminium. All Australian made, by the way. So yeah, there's one of our eco drawers. Just slam it shut like so. Obviously we have our very popular Bushmaster drawer. So as you see with something like this, you get the entire drawer comes out, locks out a full extension. You can store a lot of gear in something like this with the design of the drawer. Not a lot of the physical space is consumed with the design of the runners. Everything is very slim, allowing for maximum drawer space. There's one there. And obviously what's really cool about these, unlike some products on the market, you get full extension of the top as well, which means I can open my fridge without worrying about any of my lids colliding with my canopy top there. So, and obviously with your adjustable anchor track, you can not only put a fridge on it, but you can put anything on it. And having run on our 227 kilo heavy duty slides, this can take about 180 kilos as well. So a heap of weight can go on something like this. And that's obviously very user friendly with this adjustable track. Obviously with the fit out itself, timber top, wing kits for batteries and air compressors and all that gear. So these drawers are sold separately, so you can just order one of these and install it yourself. Otherwise you can come to our shop here in Brisbane and we can do a fit out like this or similar. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to give us a call or flick us an email.